more than what you see. She's wild, she's brave, she's free. Lipstick faded, hair a mess, staring down her own distress. Scrolling past perfection's lie, thinking why can't I be that fly? But baby girl, you're built from fire. Storm-born soul full of desire. Glass don't show what's underneath that crown you wear, that heart you keep. Yeah, she heard a whisper low, don't let the surface steal your glow. Now she walks with deeper grace, she's found her power in her pace. Beautiful things, they bloom in the dark. Quiet fire, loud heart, can't dim a soul like this. She's lightning you can't miss. Oh, 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 mirror, don't define her. Oh, 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 every scar's a designer. Beautiful things come from within. Yeah, let the real show begin. Now she moves like bass on fire, grace in motion, climbing higher. No disguise, no filtered face, just raw ambition dressed in grace. They said too much, she said too bad, turned every no into a brand new path. She's the glow after the rain, she's the dance inside the pain. Whispers turn to battle cries, she's got flames behind her eyes. Mirror cracked but couldn't break, she's the wave, the quake, the wake. She's lightning, you can't